Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 8 Science chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum. In this chapter today I will begin with a new topic which is occurrence and extraction of petroleum. Means how petroleum is extracted from its places and where this petroleum occurs. So petroleum occurs deep under the surface of the earth between two layers of impervious rocks. Impervious rocks means, suppose that petroleum reserves are available deep inside the earth between the rocks, and these rocks are impervious nature. Impervious means non-porous nature. The oil does not absorbed by these rocks. So these are the non-porous rocks, or we can say impervious rocks. Means teeny spaces are not present in between these type of rocks, impervious rocks. So suppose that inside the earth there are variety of rocks are available like this. This is impervious rock, means non-porous in nature. And then available water, ideal surface structure which is present inside the earth. Here I am trying to locate this. Suppose that this is water. This is a typical figure, and if crude petroleum is present inside the earth, it located always or available always on the upper level of the water, because oil has lighter in weight in comparison to the water, or we can say that the density of oil is lower than the density of water. So oil always present just above the surface of water, and on this oil is present in between the impervious types of rocks, means non-porous rock. And due to the various conditions like change of pressure, temperature inside the earth, some gases are formed in between these two layers, and these gases are called natural gas. This is also a impervious rock. So we can say that petroleum is present both two impervious rocks. Here is impervious rock and just below is also impervious rock. So petroleum cannot be released in between these two rocks. So we have found here a reserve of crude petroleum, and because of this some happening temperature and pressure conditions, some gases are formed inside the rock, and these gases are called natural gases. And this will be extracted by making drilling holes as like this in the earth crust where the crude oil is present, and this will be predicted by surveying the locations. So in this way crude petroleum is first predicted by performing some surveys, and this will be extracted by making drilling holes inside the earth crust, and this is a structure like this, tower type structure, and this structure is called drilling rig. This structure is called drilling rig, which is used for extracting the crude petroleum which is located inside the earth crust between two impervious rocks. So occurrence of petroleum means where petroleum is available or present inside the earth crust, and it will be decided by predicting some surveys, and if there is possibility to find some crude petroleum may be present inside the earth, then it will be extracted under the earth crust by making some drilling holes inside the earth crust with the help of a strong structure. This is metallic structure, and this structure is called drilling rig. With the help of this, oil is extracted from the earth, and this drilling hole is also called oil well. When a oil well is drilled through the rocks, first time the natural gas which is present above the crude petroleum comes out first with a great pressure for a time, and then crude petroleum will comes out by itself due to great this gas pressure. After the gas pressure has diminished, means decreased, the crude petroleum is pumped out of the oil well with the help of this drilling hole for getting this crude petroleum on land. And some of this type of oil wells are now drilled under the sea of the extraction of petroleum for the extraction of petroleum. And the first time the oil well was drilled in USA at a place Pennsylvania. This place is located in USA. First time oil well was drilled. First time. In which year? In 1859, oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania in USA. In which year? In 1859. After 8 years, oil was struck at Makum in Assam. In India, means Makum is a place which is located in Assam state. In 1867, oil well was also drilled in Makum in Assam. In India, crude petroleum is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High, and near the basins of Godavari and Krishna river. Near the basins of Godavari and Krishna rivers. Godavari and Krishna rivers. So in India, we can say that crude petroleum is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High offshore area and near the basins of Godavari and Krishna rivers. So from this topic, today's topic, we conclude that petroleum occurs deep under the surface of the earth between two layers of impervious rock, as you see in this figure, between two impervious rocks. And if it is available, then it is extracted by making drilling holes, which is called oil wells, in the earth crust, and where the presence of oil has been predicted by surveys. And these oil wells are drilled by using drilling rigs, which is a large structure with equipment for drilling an oil well. Okay, thank you.